The first step to create a website with Beacons is to simply log in into your account, and then we're gonna have to click on link in bio and website here on the left side, and then simply click on websites. Now here what we're gonna have to do is simply click on get started, and as you can see we have different website templates, but if you want you can start from scratch, even though I suggest you to pick a theme and then you can change it later, you can edit it. So I'm gonna pick a scratch one just to show you how this works. So this will be our website. Now as you can see at the top we can click on design, and we can change the colors from here. We can change the typography, so we can change the fonts. We can change the buttons. So here we can add a section, click on section. And as you can see, we have different contents. So we can upload images, we can add our Instagram feed or YouTube videos, we can sell our products, and we can even collect emails. Now, if you want to add something, simply click on it. And as you can see, it's going to be added right here. And we can simply click on edit column. And here we're going to be able to change the text, or we can delete it if we want. And basically that's all we have to do. Now at the top we have our URL, so we can click on edit URL, and from here we can either claim a free custom domain or we can connect a domain that we own. Now I'm gonna leave down in this video description a link to Hostinger, so if you want to buy cheap domains, make sure to check that out. And another thing that I want to show you is this section here in the top right corner. So here you have mobile view and then you have desktop view. So make sure you make your website responsive for mobile, because it's very important, because usually people use the phone to go to websites. So if this doesn't look right, you won't get visitors, you won't get conversions, depending on what do you want to do with your website. Now, after you finish adding all the content, you're gonna have to simply click on publish, and now our website is live, so we can simply visit our website. This is how it's gonna look like. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.